Hi everyone, in this video I would like to go over an example of how to create a Hex map in Tableau. So one of the students actually sent me this data set in which she selected the loans and data about loans in the United States. So she originally had two rows for headers. So the first row was the first order category, I would say. And then the second row is the second order category. So what I did is I deleted the first row, but I created also a data dictionary for it where I used abbreviation for the first order category. And I inserted this abbreviation in the second order abbreviation. In the second row. So for example, here, there were a couple of rows here that they are DL sub and then DL sub. So I included those here to represent that this is part of the DL sub. So anyways, what is really important is to make sure that we only have one header. So that's done. Now let's go to Tableau and upload this file into Tableau, but I need to close this guy first, otherwise it will not allow me to upload it. So I need to go to the file, upload it. And we will notice that there are a couple of issues in this. So let me double click on this guy. So I don't need the data dictionaries sheet, that I don't need it, but this is what I have. But you will notice that this data, if I try to use data interpreter, it might not really clean it clearly. So instead, you can just do it manually by selecting the columns while holding the control button. And then, so I'll just do those, and then I will let you do the rest. So here I will click on that with ABC, change it to number all for now. This is just for the sake of the example, but I'll let you finish or convert the rest of the columns. So now I need to add the hexagon spatial file. So the spatial file is already actually created by someone and it's already available online. I might also include it in the description file in this video. So I'll just double click on this guy and upload it here. All right, so now I'll just drag this spatial file here, drop it. All right, so now I need to edit the relationships where it says performance options. I need to change the cardinality from many to many to 1 to 1. All right, and then also for the common key here, or the link, or the common key that is between them, I have state. In my data, I have the state abbreviation. In the hex states spatial file, it has state spelled out in this column, but also it has state abbreviation. So for me, I want to make sure that it is connected to the abbreviation. All right, and then close out of this. All right, so now I can go ahead and create my own Hex map. So I'll double click on geometry and you can see that I have really beautiful hexagons for all states. But as you can see here, I have some African countries in the background and I can get rid of them by right clicking and then map layers and then uncheck those guys here from here. And uncheck all of those. I will clean it and then exit out of here. All right, so now I want to show the names of the states, the abbreviations of the states. So I'll just click on or drag the state into the labels. And then if we are interested in, let's say those are some of the the variables that are in green, that means they are continuous variables. Let's say that we are interested in, drag a little bit, the number of loans originated. And let's say that I'll drag this guy and put it also in labels because I want to show the number below it for each state, right? And then we can do the same thing. If I want to use color, I can drag it to color. And it looks beautiful. And then we can actually reformat it to use different colors if you want. But you got the idea. This is what I really wanted to share with you. And thank you.